What's up, JPC gang? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. That's right, your boy Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Today, I'm taking you to Carl's Jr., baby. Gang, we're going to Carl's Jr. We're going to go get us a big old juicification burger, big old burger. Big. Western bacon cheese burger. We kicking it all the way up. This is another episode. Let's eat 53. Let's go, baby. What's up, gang? Listen, today we finna knock out a burger. We going the extra mile. We bought out some of this American Wagyu. We got a ribeye cut here. Ain't none of that regular degular ground beef, no baseability. So we're gonna strip some of this American Wagyu out. You know, we could have went basic. You know how we do, gang, no baseability. We grinding up our own beef. We just cutting it into some cubes to break it down for the food processor. This Wagyu has got enough fat in it to where it's gonna get this burger all the juicification we need. Just like that. Hey, gang, listen, if you ain't got a food processor, it's a lot of different approach you can take if you just to get this ground beef. Let the people do it. Go on up there and call your butcher, tell me, hey, I need some ground beef. Give me some of that Top Chef because we doing the video with the gang. Fortunately today, we got a food processor. So we got about a 1.5 pounds, maybe 2 pounds of ground beef we got here. Down in the food processor. Got the big Draco out. And we're not looking for a real fine grind on this meat. We want some body to it. We want it to look coarse. Yeah, I think that's it. It's like a 70-30 lean to fat ratio. So you know we doing burgers. You can see the consistency of that, man. It's really a coarse grind. It's not too fine. It's gonna give you a bite. It's gonna let you know you're biting into some steak, baby. Let's season up our beef real quick. Tablespoon of SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic. Gang, you already know what's coming next. Stop playing. We putting Carl Jr. on game. Tablespoon of the magic dust. BigSmokiesBBQ.com for your magic dust, baby. Turn this burger next level. Give it a mix with your fingers. You don't want to overwork your beef, but you definitely want to get these seasonings dispersed throughout this ground beef. Let's make us some burgers. Pull y'all some of that ground beef, put it into a ball. About a 1/4 pound. It's okay if you go over, baby. Don't panic, because we not doing no wimpy burgers. No wimpy burgers. All right, we got it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Get your ball of your Wagyu, American Wagyu steak. Come on, Carl Jr., you gotta kick it up a notch when you messing with the gang, you hear me? Put it down on some parchment paper. You come out with it with another on top. Take your burger press, get you some muscle into it, baby. Press down, and there's your patty. That's all we looking for, man. You know, that grade A beef. Come on, now you see that fat in there, you know it's gonna have the juicification. And we're gonna get that big crispification on the outside with the ooey gooey cheese. Stop playing, this is it. This is it, JPC gang, next level. Let's get the rest of these burgers smashed out, and I'm finna show you the next step. This burger got onion rings, barbecue sauce, cheddar, yeah. Let's get the rest of these smashed out, and I'll show you what we got next. Let's go. We got that Wagyu pressed out, 4-piece. We got them on this parchment paper because we don't want none sticking together or none, because we're going to put them in the freezer. 10 to 15 minutes, just stiffen up. We're not freezing these. These are fresh, never frozen. You saw us break it down. Let them stiffen back up. Let everything settle back down, and those flavors going to start to marry. Let's go. We washed our hands, got that Wagyu set aside. They onion rings. We got to have the sweet one. So we got a Vidalia sweet onions. We're going to cut it up. Let me show you. I mean, onion rings is just what they are. Let's call it, it is what it is. It's an onion ring. I'm not saying it's not any bad onion rings out there. You really think we putting out bad onion rings on this side? No, sir. Take the cap off, take the bottom off. Not all the way through, just the first layer. Set your blade right through the first layer, and you peel it. We can't be greedy, gang. The first layer is gonna go. That's what we left with. Even as possible, a 1/2 inch thick. Press them out. We got onion rings. We gotta set up a breading station real quick. Panko breadcrumbs, big crispification. AP flour, about 2 cups of AP flour. So we cracked a couple eggs. We just gonna whisk the whole egg. Whites and yolks. Everything in the party. 2 eggs. All right, gang, listen, it's not complicated. In the AP flour, a couple tablespoons of SPG. Going in with a tablespoon of the magic dust. Give it a whisk. Flour gonna help the egg stick, and then the egg gonna help the panko stick. Right in the AP flour, into the egg wash. Back into the AP flour. Just so we can get that big crispification on there, that big crunch. One more time in the egg wash, into the breadcrumbs. Give it a press. Just that quick. Battered up the onion rings. Now listen, you don't wanna get your onion rings battered up real quick and just go dump them in some hot oil, because you'll lose some of your breading. You'll lose some of your panko, all that stuff you worked hard for. You know, the big, beautiful crispification. You don't want to lose that, baby. So listen, take your time, slow it down. Put them in the ice box, put them in the fridge, put them in the freezer to settle. Egg and the flour, the AP flour, to kind of congeal and stick to this onion. So when you drop it in that grease, it's just gonna give you that real crispification. So set them off to the side, baby, and we finna get ready to fry some onion rings. Bonito. We let them chill in the icebox for about 10 minutes. You can do 15 minutes if you want. You know what I mean? If you got some time to waste, go right ahead. We got some canola oil in the cast iron, baby. And we finna get the dropping and popping them. Onion rings. Don't overcrowd your pan, because it bring down the temperature of your heat. It's not gonna give you the big crunch crispification on these onion rings. We brought this oil to about 350 degrees. Soon as you get that GBD, golden brown and delicious, you pulling them. We not going too long. Big crispification on there. Couple more minutes. GBD, golden brown, and you know they delicious. Let that excess oil drip off onto the board. Hot out the oil, hot out the grease. SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic. Make sure you season these. No bland onion rings. Smackification. Magic dust. Right over the top. Best onion rings you ever gonna try right here. I hear they out there trying to cook onion rings. Tell them to pipe down. We got it, baby. Let's make a burger. Double bacon cheeseburger. It's got the barbecue flavor, the smoky notes. So we need to smoke that on, man. You hear me? We got this thing screaming hot, hot, hot. Take a look at this. Show them this here. On the backside, it's a griddle, a flat top griddle where you can do pancakes, all type of breakfast. Y'all seen me use it before on the channel. This is the side where you want when you want that burger to get them burger marks in there. It's not gonna let your burger, your beef, sit down in that grease and pool too much. My new ringtone. Give it a press. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. We want them to go on this side, 2 or 3 minutes on this side. Lock in that crispification, juicification in there. You wanna lock in that juice, you wanna seal it up.
Breathe in the bacon, breathe out the bacon.
Listen to it.
Bacon.
It's the sizzleification, baby. Right on top of these burgers on this side, we got a little SPG. We're going right up top just to ensure that we got the flavorification. This is how you know when it's time to flip your burger. You're gonna start seeing that gray area creep around that burger. Now this is however you want if you like your beef still mooing, take them off and eat them right now. We don't want the moo-moo. We want it about medium well, still with the juicification. Finito, them beautiful grill marks on that burger. Looks like we've been on the grill. And that's why I can compliment this camp chef for doing their thing. They got them ridges in there, and it's got that beef raised up out that fat. The grill marks. Yes, we got the grill marks. Of course, you want to season this side. Look, SPG, we don't do bland at all. While that side is coming up real quick, this not gonna take long. Let me show you what we got here. Thick cut mild cheddar cheese. This is farm style. That fat free is not none of that. I'm sorry, not today. Real cheese, thick cut cheddar. Give it one last flip. We going with the cheese. Take your favorite liquid, put it down on this griddle. It's gonna create that steam. Get them burgers about 2 or 3 minutes under that steam. Let everything steam, steam, steam. That cheese gonna melt. We getting ready to build some burgers. Let's go, baby. Double them up and set them right off to the side. Sesame seed buns, put them down on here and just get a little toast. 1 or 2 minutes, let the buns toast up. We represent Tejas to the fullest. On the great state of Tejas, yes Lord, we got our toasted bun down. Big Smokies, house barbecue sauce. Come down with the sauce, don't be scared of the sauce. Onion rings. Wimpy Burger where? Take this here, masterpiece. Masterpiece with all that cheddar. Cheddar make it better. Top bun has been toasted. Get some more of that sauce on there. Got to go with some pickles. Right up top, a little bit more of the sauce. Got to come with some bacon, baby. A couple strips of the bacon. JPC gang, double barrel bacon cheeseburger, Western style. Yeah, that's right, I said double barrel. Cocked up, come on man, stop playing. You can't go to Carl's Jr. and get this. You get something like it, you know, close to, look-alike. Not this, the real deal. It's time, we gotta try it out. Birdie, come on man, drop a thumbs up right now and smash that like button press. Come here, bacon, don't get away from me. You're gonna be a part of this. Fair warning, this is not PG-13. It hits different when it's coming from the game. Look at her. She got a dunk. She got a dunk. She got a dunk. Conjure, stop it. This is one to try. I appreciate you for watching. I appreciate you for tuning in. Make sure you go smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell if you feeling us, man. Until next time, peace and love.